Possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. A possessive adjective is an adjective that is used to show ownership. It comes before a noun in the sentence and lets us know to whom the noun belongs. Possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, their, her, and its. A possessive pronoun shows ownership, but it does not come before a noun or in a noun phrase. Possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. Some examples of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns are as follows. It is my cat. The cat is mine. It is our cat. The cat is ours. It is your cat. The cat is yours. It is his cat. The cat is his. It is her cat. The cat is hers. It is their cat. The cat is theirs. It is its ball. The ball is its. Remember, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns both show ownership.